And now you can see both the eyelashes are almost ready.
Hello friends, I'm Michelle D'Souza. Welcome to my YouTube channel Wind of Dreams, where I'm gonna post videos related to arts and craft. Please do watch, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make beautiful multicolored eyelashes using feathers. Sounds interesting, right? Yes. So today I'm gonna use peacock feathers to make this amazing beautiful eyelashes. So let's start it.
First, take a feather. I'm taking a peacock feather. You can see the shining of peacock feather, right? Okay, it's multicolored. Okay, now hold this part. You need to hold the tip of the feather and you need to make two parts of the feather. You need to peel it off. Gently you need to peel so that another part of the feather shouldn't get damaged. Just like this. So now you will get eyelash kind of part. And you can see the unwanted part. Let's cut it off. So now you have to curve the eyelashes like how I did already. So now by the help of the scissor, you need to make the eyelashes curly. So I'm taking the scissor, hold it like this and pull it. So it looks wavy and attractive. You need to make the feather curly until it looks like eyelashes, and then you need to cut the unwanted part which are longer. And then bend the feather like this. And now you can see both the eyelashes are almost ready. Here you can see the white part of the feather, which might be visible when you stick it on your eyelashes. So we are gonna paint it with the black paint, or you can use any other paint which will be skin friendly. Now I'm painting the white part with the black color. So now we are ready with the feather eyelashes, and then I'm gonna stick it on my eyelashes.
Now these beautiful peacock feather eyelashes are ready. So now I'm gonna teach you how to stick it on your eyelashes. So I'm using eyelash glue to stick it on my eyelashes. Take a thin stick to apply the glue on your eyelashes, or you can apply directly from the tube. I'm applying the glue over here. So like this you have to apply the glue and stick it upon your eyelash. So now I have sticked feather eyelashes on my eyelashes. This is how it looks. You too can make these eyelashes whenever you want to look special or any kind of fancy dress, or whenever you want to look like a fairy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Share, like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.